Hi everyone, it's Lavinia and welcome to today's video where I'm sharing my weekly home cleaning routine. And this will be for starting the week of September 22nd, which is a Monday. Today is Saturday the 20th, but I went ahead and scheduled what I would like to do for next week. Now, I may do some of these tasks over the weekend, just so it's just not so much. I am going to be working and have several appointments on Wednesday, so I don't have enough time really to do that full day weekly home cleaning and maybe some of these other items. So I always do like to do a little bit of something on the weekend as much as I can. But my zone following the Fly Lady system is zone 4, which is our master bedroom, our master bath, and then I put down my closet. So I have listed here for the bedroom the tasks that I would like to do, which is pupa, pick up and put away, dusting, so it's a little bit of a deeper dusting, getting maybe the corners, the baseboards, then vacuuming and mopping. We have Pergo on our floors, and then the windows and window sills. And then for our bathroom, master bathroom, again, the pupa, the pick up and put away, a deeper cleaning of the toilet. So I'll get out my little Pumi for this particular one. And again, the Pumi is like that little scouring pumice stick that you can get at Home Depot. That's where we get ours. They used to sell it at the Dollar Tree years ago. That's where I first found it. But I will use that, and that I do maybe once or twice a year, just depending. We have hard water here, so I think it's a good time to do that. Then our master tub we never use. We have a shower stall along with the tub, and that's why I would love to redo our master bathroom. Get rid of that tub, put in a larger walk-in shower would be awesome. But for now, that is just going to be like a dusting of the tub. And then the shower stall, I will use a mixture of white vinegar and Dawn dishwashing liquid. And I will spray that down and do a deeper cleaning of the shower stall. And then vacuuming and mopping the counter and sink. Don't really have to do much of a deep cleaning there because pretty much every evening I wipe down and dry off the counter and sink. And then I have here for meal prep because on the Wednesday I have several, as I mentioned, several errands to run. So on the way back from one of them, I'll stop by the grocery store and, get some items. So for Wednesday, I have my weekly home blessing, even though again, I will be out and about and working a couple of hours. But again, with some errands, I have stormy weather. She has her vet appointment. They're going to be doing a blood draw for my little kitty there because they changed medications. It's now a liquid form for her thyroid. She has that hyperthyroidism. So she had been taking a pill, but they wanted to try the liquid form, or at least, we'll give that a try. And after 2 weeks, they wanted to do a blood draw. So that's coming up this Wednesday. So hopefully that will go well. And for my weekly home blessing, this is the dust, the sweep, the mop, and the laundry. The dust, sweep, and mop, again, for a weekly home blessing is just the well-trafficked areas, nothing too intense or like going into the corners or anything like that. That's what the actual zones are for. And then here I have my grocery run. So I won't do that naturally when I have Stormy in the car, but on the way home from work, I'll go ahead, I'll bring my shopping list and do a grocery run at Sprouts. That's my plan for to do that. And then for Saturday, I have watering the plants. And today's Saturday here for the week before, so I will be doing that. I'll be putting them in the sink and giving them a nice watering. I didn't put anything down for the closet, so I may do that, as I mentioned, just because it's a zone or there's several tasks. It doesn't mean that I'm necessarily going to do that. Now, I may do closet, maybe organizing my shoes or organizing the bottom of the closet, but I may add that later. I am going to do some of these tasks today and over the weekend just to lighten up the load during the week. So I hope that, you follow along, and maybe if you have a bedroom or your bath or your closet, and you want to go ahead and follow along, that would be great. Maybe just to get into it a little bit, just to see how you like it. And then these are just some stickers that I used from the Happy Planner. It's falling apart, but I thought I haven't used any of these stickers yet. These say I cleaned today. And I thought I'm going to go ahead and leave this here so that maybe on one of these days I can go ahead and put one of these ribbons, that rosette ribbons that I've completed that. I think that would be fun. So that is it for this particular video. Have a great weekend, everyone. I may be putting up some other video. We'll see. I do have also some of my craft fair items that I need to start finishing up, my little albums. But again, this is just for home cleaning. So thanks so much for watching, everyone. Take care. I will see you in the next one. Bye.